Chicken, that looks good. What is that, Mommy? Ow.
Oh no.
I'm glad I had my helmet on. That looks good. What is that? Oh wow. What are you gonna get? What's in that other thing?
It's homba or adobo. Adobo.
Is it pork?
Pork adobo.
All right.
You want this?
I want some of that and some pork adobo on some
I
rice.
want just chicken.
Okay.
You like chicken? You want chicken?
No. I want a little bit of pork adobo and some of that on some rice.
Dati lang, orderan niya. Isa ko orderan ni ganito lang. 35. O isa ka manok.
Ooh, that was good. All right, so we left the the Green One Hotel, and we are gonna have to make our way back up to what is it called, Basak? Basak Road, and we got to go all the way north till we get back to that shrine area where the shrine was at. We got to take from there. We're gonna, I don't know. I don't know. It's got one more night basically, and then this adventure's over for now. We'll have to continue it later. But we stopped along. We're getting us some food right now. Check out this food. I'm gonna turn. I'm gonna turn this around so I can show you the food, man. This place is awesome. All right, so here's our food. Check that out. We got that here. It looks cool, right? Anyway, this is good vibes going on here. I love this place. This is pork adobo, right? Pork adobo. This is the juice that it came in. And I like to just pour that juice right over the rice. Rose isn't much into pork adobo, right? She likes the chicken. So she got fried chicken with rice. And what is this? Huh? You don't know?
Ginsang gulay.
It's ginseng gula?
Gulay.
Gulai, ginseng gulai. And ginseng gulai has, I don't know what this is. I don't know, it tasted like a potato. Got corn, green beans, vegetables. What kind of meat is in here?
Pork.
Liver? Tastes like liver.
Pork.
Pork? Tastes like pork. Oh, and squash. This definitely looks good. It tastes good. Check it out. That is awesome. It's not a bell pepper. That was some type of spicy pepper. But not too spicy. It's actually really good. I wish there was more of those in it. Wow, that was good. Hit the spot. I thought it was a bell pepper because of its size, but that was an actual, like, some type of spicy pepper. It was worth it. Enough of the bad Coke. Let me drink some water.
Are you full? Nabusog ka?
What? How do you say?
Nabusog ka?
Nabusuka? Did I say it right? I'm Namasuka. What does that mean? That I'm full?
Yeah.
Okay, I hope that's what it means.
Nabusog ka.
Nabusuka.
I am
I'm full.
nabusog ko.
Nabasuko. What does that mean? Same thing?
Nabusog ko.
Nabasuko.
It means me. I'm full. So, if I ask you nabusog ka, you have to,
Namasuko.
you have to answer me. Oo, nabusog ako.
Nabasuko.
Nabusog.
Okay. Is it matching our voices? Yes. Okay, I hate to say it, but I think we are going to get rained on. So we're going to pack all the camera gear away so it doesn't get messed up. So we'll talk to you when we get to the next spot.